Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Last class you know about Raju. Yes. What does Raju do? Yes, Raju was a firefighter. Very good. Do you know the incident? What Raju remember always? Yes, you know the incident. The incident is when Raju was in class 5, that time there was a fire in his school building. Okay, let's read the whole text again. Please everyone, open your book, page number 34. Now, please repeat after me the whole text. A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the students to leave this building quickly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he didn't get any money for his work, but Raju didn't mind. Now, Raju is a full-time firefighter. It is his job, so he earns money for it. Most of the time, his work is putting out fire. But he also teaches new firefighters about safety. He likes teaching very much. In his free time, Raju visits schools. He talks to students about fire safety. He tells them what to do if there is a fire. They shouldn't panic. They should listen to their teachers and leave the building quickly. Very good. Please look at this. What do firefighters have to do as part of their work? Okay? Yes, I hope you understand the question. The answer is they put out the fire. Very good. Then, the next question. When did Raju join as a volunteer in the fire department? I repeat, when did Raju join as a volunteer in the fire department? Yes, I know you know the answer. Yes, the answer is after college. Yes, when he passed HSC, he joined as a volunteer. Very good. Now, please open your book, page number 35. Okay, students, it's about true or false. You have to identify. Okay, at first, I'm reading sentence number 1. There was a fire at Raju's school when he was in class 5. Listen carefully. There was a fire at Raju's school when he was in class 5. What was in our text? In our text, the sentence was, a long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Do you think the two sentences are similar? Yes, you are right. It's similar. So, it's true. তাই না? আমরা যে দুটো সেন্টেন্স পড়েছি, কি পড়েছিলাম? There was a fire at Raju's school when he was in class 5. এবং তোমাদের মেইন টেক্সটে ছিল a long time ago when Raju was in class 5 there was a fire in his school. তাহলে এই দুটো সেন্টেন্স একই রকম, similar. So the sentence is true. Good. Number 2. The teachers left the students in the building during the fire. Listen carefully. The teachers left the students in the building during the fire. Now I'm going to write the sentence. At first, I'm going to find the similar sentence. Okay, what was the similar sentence? Yes, I have found it. The teachers helped the students to leave the building quickly and safely. Mind the differences. The teachers left. Please, here the word left. The teachers left the students in the building during the fire. And in your text, the teachers helped the students to leave building quickly and safely. So, it's not the similar thing. There was the word left and there was the word helped. The teachers helped the students. And the sentence is the teachers left the students. So, the sentence is false. Okay, students? The sentence is false. Good. I know you have got the answer. And number 3. Raju didn't see the firefighters put out the fire at his school. Okay, I'm going to write the third sentence. Raju didn't see the firefighters put out the fire at his school. Okay. Now I'm going to find the similar sentence. Okay, what will be the similar sentence? Yes, I got it. The sentence is Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. Please listen carefully. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. And here the sentence is Raju didn't see. Please look at this. That is Raju didn't see the firefighters. And there the sentence in the text is Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. So the sentence is incorrect. Then you have to write false. Yes, the answer is false. Now, number 4. Raju always earns money for being a firefighter. Please, for this, remember the 2 things. At first, after college, after HSC, Raju joined as a volunteer. Okay? At first, he joined as a volunteer. So that time, he doesn't get any money or he doesn't earn any money for his job. And after that, when he permanently got the job, then he earns money. So the word always, you have to remember the word always is putting here. That is the word always. Okay. So at first he doesn't get any money because that time he was a volunteer, and now he is a full-time firefighter. So he earns money. The word always. For this reason, the sentence is false. তোমরা কি বুঝতে পেরেছো? রাজু প্রথমে যখন ভলান্টিয়ার ছিল তখন সে কোনো টাকা আর্ন করতো না, সে কোনো অর্থ উপার্জন করতো না। তার সার্ভিসের জন্য, কিন্তু যখন সে পার্মানেন্টলি অ্যাজ এ ফুল টাইম ফায়ার ফাইটার সে তার জবে জয়েন করলো তখন সে মানি আর্ন করে, কিন্তু এখানে শব্দটা লেখা হচ্ছে অলওয়েজ, মানে সে যখন থেকে এই ফায়ার ফাইটার হয়েছে তখন থেকেই সে আর্ন করছে, বিষয়টা কিন্তু তা নয়। ফর দিস রিজন দ্য সেন্টেন্স ইজ false. And then the number 5 is very easy. The sentence is Raju also likes teaching. Okay, you can find it easily because there is a sentence he likes teaching very much. Okay, he likes teaching very much. In your text the sentence is like this: he likes teaching very much, and here Raju also likes teaching, the similar thing, so the sentence is true. Okay, now number 6, talking to students is a part of Raju's job. The last one, talking to students is a part of Raju's job. Now please go to the text. Okay, in his free time Raju visits school. Listen carefully, what is here? That is, in his free time Raju visits school. That means it's not as a part of his job. When he has a free time or leisure time, that time he do that. Okay, so in his free time Raju visits schools, he talks to students about fire safety, he tells them what to do if there is a fire. Okay, so the sentence talking to students is part of Raju's job is totally incorrect. So the sentence is false, because in his free time Raju visits schools. That means when he was not on his duty. Okay, very good. তার মানে হচ্ছে যখন সে স্টুডেন্টদের সাথে কথা বলতে যায়, স্কুলগুলোতে যায়, সেই টাইমটা তার লেজার টাইম। ওকে, এই সময়টাতে সে কিছুই করে না, মানে তার অফিশিয়াল জবটা থাকে না, সো ফ্রি টাইমে সে বাচ্চাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলতে যায়, স্কুল স্টুডেন্টদের সাথে কথা বলতে যায়। তার মানে talking to students is part of Raju's job is incorrect and the sentence is false. Okay, very good. I hope you can understand. Now it's your time to write it, so I'm giving you 3 minutes. Okay, please write these 6 sentences in your notebook and write true or false. Okay students, I hope you have written it. Now please check it. Number 1, true. Number 2, false. Number 3, false. Number 4, false. Number 5, true. And number 6, false. Okay. Now it's time to correct the sentences. Okay. The sentence which was false. Now you have to correct it. How can you correct? I'm going to help you. Okay. Number 2. The teachers left the students in the building during the fire. So you have to write the teachers helped the students to leave the building during the fire. I repeat, the teachers helped the students to leave the building during the fire. Okay, number 3. Raju didn't see the firefighters put out the fire at his school. The sentence will be, Raju watched the firefighters put out the fire at his school. Okay, I repeat, Raju watched the firefighters put out the fire at his school. Okay. Number 4. Raju always earns money for being a firefighter. What will be the answer? Okay, please think. The answer is, when Raju joined as a full-time firefighter, he earns money for it. Okay, when Raju joined as a full-time firefighter, he earns money for it. Good. Last one. Talking to students is part of Raju's job. Okay, what will be the answer? The answer is, in his free time, Raju loves to talk to the students. Okay, it's not a part of his job. অথবা তোমরা এভাবে লিখতে পারো, talking to students is a part of Raju's leisure time. Okay, I repeat, talking to students is part of Raju's leisure time or free time. Very good. That's your homework. Okay. Now I have another question for you. That is, why do you think Raju became a firefighter? Okay. At first, I'm going to tell you a story. When I was in primary school, I had my honorable teachers, but I love my head teacher's class very much. She teaches us many things. Okay? And she taught us how to build our life. When she talked, that time I was spellbound. And I was totally charmed when she talked to us. And that time I thought, I want to be a teacher. Okay? Like her. তার মানে হলো, আমি যখন প্রাইমারি স্কুলে ছিলাম, আমি আমার হেড টিচারের ক্লাস খুবই পছন্দ করতাম। তিনি আমাদের অনেক কিছু শেখাতেন। সেই সাথে তিনি যখন কথা বলতেন, আমি অবাক হয়ে তার কথা শুনতাম। কারণ তিনি অনেক সুন্দর করে কথা বলতেন এবং আমাদেরকে ভালোভাবে বোঝাতেন। তখন আমি চিন্তা করলাম, আমি বড় হয়ে একজন শিক্ষক হতে চাই। ঠিক তাই। এবার তোমরা বলতে পারবে, রাজু কেন ফায়ারফাইটার হতে চাইল? Why do you think Raju want to be a firefighter? May I help you? Yes. First, when there was fire in his school building, he was very afraid. And he saw the firefighters come and put out the fire. Okay, that time, when the firefighters came and put out the fire, Raju, the teachers, the students all got relieved. কারণ হচ্ছে যখন ফায়ারফাইটাররা আসলো আগুন নিভে গেল তারা কি করলো সবাই মন থেকে একটা শান্তি পেল এই যে বিষয়টা এটা রাজুর ভিতরে একটা প্রভাব ফেললো তাই না এই যে প্রভাব ফেললো সেই কারণে রাজুর মনে হলো যে সে কি করতে পারে বড় হয়ে এই যে আগুনের বিপদের মুহূর্তে সবাইকে সাহায্য করতে পারে তার এই সাহায্য করার মনোভাবের জন্যই সে বড় হয়ে ফায়ার ফাইটার হতে চায় তোমার কি আরো কোনো কারণ মনে হচ্ছে if you have any reason extra then you can write it okay and when your school will be open that time you can show it to your teacher okay students so I'm giving the homework at first you have to write the correct sentence. Write the correct sentences from section A. And number 2, why do you think Raju wants to be a firefighter? That is your homework. Okay, students? Thank you.